Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trade cards in Madfut 23. Now here for example, if I open a certain pack and I get a certain player, these are tradable cards. In order to get tradable cards, they either need to be a duplicate, which most of these aren't. So once you get a duplicate, you're going to go into the trading section over here. You're going to need to log in, press your email, username, password, and then your country. And it's going to ask you to access your Google Play account. Once you've accessed your Google Play account and you're allowing them to access your Google Play, what's going to happen is they're going to find you another person whose account is Google Play with about similar level, and you're going to be able to put in a card that you want. Another thing that you can do to help you is onto your account, change your name to whatever play you want to do. So let's say if you want to look for a Ronaldo, you want to look for a Kane, or you want to look for a Son, put in I want Son and offer the cards that you want to offer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.